The back ramp door is finally finished sanding. This one was difficult and took about 4 work days, I think, because of all of the dimension, every single side. Even did some work on the secure handles. Sanded these down. They are much smoother. I'm not really worrying about getting all of the bumps out of those because, well, it is a horse trailer. It'll have some bit of rustic to it, and that's okay. It's really the sides that I'm most concerned about with the smoothness. But yeah, I am so happy this is finally done. So now I really only have the little frame of the inside of this door and this barn door, which is hidden over here. That last barn door to do. And all of the sanding will be done. So stay tuned and see what this looks like. I'm getting ready to spray paint prime it because unlike most of the sanding on the other pieces, this went down to a lot of bare metal and I don't want it to re-rust. Even though we are using a rusted metal primer when we paint it, it's just a lot of exposed metal. So I am going to spray paint that, so we'll see what that looks like. Stay tuned.